Hey guys, guess what? We have got more Proline tires up for grabs. So write me a comment why you need these tires. You got new rigs, you're building old rigs, you're changing old rigs, your tires are tired, or you just need to upgrade your tires. Write me a comment, guys. The guys who write me a comment, I will put you guys in the final draw and let's see who wins the final prize. Now let's get back into today's video. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations again to 52 Diamond. I just want to explain a couple of things on the giveaway. Now, I was asked, I thought I was in the final draw, one of the questions of my subscribers. This is how it works. I am not putting all my subscribers into the final draw. The final draw means all the subscribers that are talking to me about what rigs they're building and that they want tires, they go into the cup. So this means this is the final draw. Now I draw some competition drivers out of the cup for the final competition. So sorry if there was any confusion about this. Final draw does not mean you are in the race. So we got that out of the way, and in this week's video, we are going back to the little guy that is sitting in this truck. We're gonna take him out and start painting him and give him the coolest suit, paint the seat belts on him, give him a cool angry face, and maybe even do a little bit of old school, like those old school racing suits. Maybe in that direction, like a white and blue, but let's see how it goes. So let's get him out of the truck. And he's fitting in there so nicely. I'm even thinking for the other side, maybe just to print another seat so that we have an empty seat in the vehicle. But for now, let's take this guy out. I will have to take his arms off and his head off. Sorry about that. And then it is easier to paint him on all directions and all sides. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oops, that one came off already a little bit early. He looks so sad right now, doesn't he? And now, time to get his head off. Ooh, maybe I used a bit too much glue on this. Okay, dude. All right. That was painful, but let's get some paint on this guy. Have you ever seen a better paint job on a little driver than this? I need to tell you, I didn't do this. My daughter did this. I gave her the project. I needed to go away on business, and she spent 3 entire days coming up with the design and painting him. So it was a 3-day project for her. So I take my hat off because I couldn't have done this. Never in a million years would I have been able to do this. So I take my hat off. Everybody give her a big hand because this is an amazing job. So come in closer so I can show you the details. So starting off with the helmet, or with the head, I mean, look at those eyes. That is like he's staring you down, dude. absolutely stunning. It is 3D printed, so he kind of has like he's hollow. He's got a ping pong ball feel to it, very light, obviously, not to add more weight to the car. Coming to the body, she's even put stitching, double stitching into the seat belts, and she's got a two-tone on the brown suit, and she's even given him cowboy boots. Woo-ha! That just means he's going to just drive a little more aggressive, I think. And coming to the hands, obviously also in two tones, or the arms in two tones, and the hands are with skeleton gloves and pointy fingernails. How cool is that? This detail is blowing my mind, literally blowing my mind. Absolutely fantastic. So let's get this guy assembled, and ton ton ton, I have also 3D printed a second seat, which we're going to install next to the driver. So I've done exactly the same thing to the passenger seat. I'm going to place it and hot glue gun it next to the driver. Then we're going to put the little driver together, put his arms on and his head back on, and place him into his seat, or actually fix him down and glue him into his seat. So the driver's done, and he is looking absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing. He looks so cool. So let's get him into the car. I'm going to place him down, glue him down into place, and then we shall be ready to go. So he's in position, ready to rumble, as you can see. But I am fearing if we put this body on, and seeing that he looks so cool, you actually want to see him as much as possible. I am thinking that window has to go. 100% that window has to go. There, that is much better. Looking absolutely cool and mean. Maybe that other window also needs to go. What do you guys think? Hey, I think definitely. We can't see the dude, man. Maybe we'll just replace it with some clear glass, or we just act as if the windows are wound down all the way. I think definitely this window is in the way. We cannot see the driver, dudes. Let's take it out. So here we go. Left window and right window cut out. So we can clearly see, well, the seat you can't really see, the passenger seat, but you can clearly see the driver sitting in there all cool. See his gloves, his skeleton gloves. So I think the only thing left to do is take him for a little ride. Let's see how good he actually is. Get the lighting connected. Let's put the body on. Where are my body clips? Here they are. Whoa, he's already beginning with one of the steepest attacks and climbs, trying to prove his worth in his new ride. Here we go. Easy does it. Perfect, man. Not bad for a first timer. Got some flies biting me again. Another fly got me, man. Phew, it is hot out there. Let's get this truck back up on the stand and let's see if the driver's actually still in place. Yes, he was. He was a bit loose. I had to re-glue him, but now everything is steady. Take the body off quickly, take the clips out. Come on. There we go. Don't forget the electrics from the lights. Disconnect those. There we go. So guys, the coolest little Wild Willy driver that I've ever seen on the internet. Go check him out. There are a couple of different versions out there. but I think I have to post this one somewhere because he's absolutely awesome. So don't forget, guys, we've got tires coming up in 2 months' time, and that would be end of October. And another big hand out to my daughter to making this design. Thank you very much. So that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next week. Subscribe. Bye.